It's a new year, and if you're like most people, you made some kind of big promises yourself. Finally go in the gym, lose that extra 10 pounds, and build a side business. But here's what actually happens. 2 weeks in, you're back to the same old grind, quit the gym, and now you're working 10 to 12 hours a day, missing your kids' games, too tired to do anything on the weekend, including going to that gym that everybody talks about. And in this video, I'm going to show you how one ATM machine can replace 10 hours of your work week each week and get your life back. Hi, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises, and I've been in the ATM business for over 25 years. And I've watched hundreds of people just like you use ATMs to buy their time back without quitting their day jobs and putting anything at risk. If you're sick of trading time for money and you want a real plan to work less while you're making more, this 3-step system I'm about to show you will change everything. So let's get right into it. So today we're going to cover 3 things. Number 1, the brutal math of trading time for money and while it's killing your freedom. Number 2, how ATMs let you work 1 hour a week instead of 10. And number 3, how to get your first ATM making money in the next 30 days. Number 1, the brutal math of trading time for money. Let me ask you guys a question. How many hours did you work last week? 40, 50, even 60? If you count the side hustle? Now let me ask you another question. How much of that time actually moved you closer to freedom? For most people, the answer is 0. You're on the hamster wheel that we all start on, working more hours just to pay bills. Maybe save a little if you're lucky, but you're never getting ahead. You're definitely not getting your time back. The biggest scam in America is the idea that hard work equals wealth. Work hard equals a paycheck, but a paycheck stops the second you stop working. That's not wealth, that's slavery with every extra step. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you make $25 an hour at your job. You work over 40 hours a week. That's $1,000 before taxes, maybe $750 after taxes. You make an extra $400 a month. You need to work 16 more hours a month. That's 2 extra 8-hour shifts. So now you're working 6 days a week instead of 5. When do you see your kids? When do you get back to the gym? When do you actually live your life? You don't. And here's the worst part. The more hours you work, the less each hour is worth because you're exhausted, you're burnt out, you make mistakes, your health suffers, your relationship suffers, and you end up spending that extra $400 on takeout because you're too tired to cook, or on medical bills because your back is shot from working too much. It's a loser's game. Now compare that to an ATM. One ATM in a decent location can make you $400 to $600 a month extra. How much time does it take? Maybe 1 hour a week. You drive to the location, you refill the cash, you check that everything is working, you leave. Easy peasy. That's it. So instead of working that 16 hours extra to make that $400, you work 1 hour. And the other 15 hours, you get to keep those. That's 15 hours with your kids. That's 15 hours at the gym. That's 15 hours of building another income stream. 15 hours of your life back. That's the math that changes everything. Number 2, how ATMs let you work 1 hour a week instead of 10. Here's what I love about the ATM business. It's designed for lazy people. I'm not saying you have to be lazy, and I'm not saying that as a compliment, because the best businesses are the ones that make you money without making you miserable. Let me walk you through what managing one ATM actually looks like. I want you to compare this to whatever side hustle you're doing right now. Monday morning, you're drinking your cup of coffee, you check your phone, you see your ATM did 18 transactions over the weekend. That's $54 in surcharge and fees. You did nothing. You were watching football. You were at your kid's birthday party. The machine did the work. Tuesday afternoon, you get a text from the ATM monitoring system. Cash is getting low, time to refill. You drive to the location after work, it takes you 20 minutes to get there. You walk in, you open an ATM, you pull out the old cash, you count it, you put in a fresh batch of 20s, you close it up, and you're done. Total time, 45 minutes. That's the whole job. Compare that to DoorDash. You drive around for 3 hours in traffic, you deal with rude customers, you put miles on your car, and maybe you make $60 if you're lucky. And you got to do that again tomorrow. Or compare it to Uber, same thing. Hours in the car, drunk people in your back seat, wear and tear on your car, maybe $100 for 5 hours of work. Or compare it to flipping stuff on Facebook Marketplace. You find the stuff, you buy it, you list it, you answer 50 messages from people who waste your time, you meet strangers in parking lot, exchange the merchandise, hope they show up, hope you don't get robbed, all that for maybe $200 in profit after a week of hassle. ATMs don't do any of that. They just sit there and print money. Well, let me break down the weekly time commitment. Week 1, when you're setting it up, yeah, it takes a little bit of time. maybe 10 hours total in time to find one location, negotiate a deal, install that ATM. But that's a one-time process. After that, 1 hour a week max, and most of that time is driving. I've had students with 8 ATMs spending 4 to 5 hours a week total managing all of them. That's over $3,000 a month for 5 hours of work. Think about that. 5 hours a week, $3,000 a month. That's $150 an hour. Show me any side hustle that pays that. You can't, because it doesn't exist. I've also worked with real estate agents who told me they spent 5 months with a client showing 30 houses, client didn't buy one. They made $0. They put in all that effort. 5 months of work, $0. Let that sink in. They put that same energy into ATMs. Now they've gotten machines making them $250 to $400 a month with each ATM. While they're sleeping, while they're showing houses, while they're spending that time with their family, while they're living their life. That's the difference. Total freedom. Number 3, how to get your first ATM making money in the next 30 days. All right, so you're thinking, Phil, this sounds great, but how do I actually do this? Let me give you a 30-day plan. This is exactly the system people use to go from 0 to their first ATM up and running. Week 1, set up your business. Go to the Secretary of State's website, file an S Corp or an LLC. Costs maybe $100 to $200 depending on what state you live in. Takes 20 minutes online. Done. Then open up a business bank account. Go to the local credit union, not the big banks. Stay away from Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase. They hate the ATM business. Go local. Tell them you're starting an ATM business. Open a business checking account. Done. Week 2, find a processor. That's a company that handles your transactions. We here at PDQ, we're a registered ISO. We can handle that. We'll sell you the machine. We'll process your transactions. We'll program everything for you. Just tell us where it's going and order your ATM. Takes about a week to ship. While you're waiting, start looking for that location. Week 3, this is the fun part. Location hunting. Getting in your car, drive around your town, look for places that need an ATM. Bars, barbershops, hotels, tattoo parlors, laundromats, small grocery stores. Anywhere with foot traffic and a need for cash. Ask to speak to the owner or the manager. Here's what you say. Hey, I noticed that you don't have an ATM. I'd like to put an ATM in your business for free. Doesn't cost you anything. You don't pay anything. I maintain it. I fill it. I service it. If it breaks down, you call us, we fix it. Doesn't cost you anything. Always repeat that. And I'll even give you 50 cents a transaction. That's it. Most will say no. That's fine. A few would say yes. You only need one. I tell people, hit 20 locations. You get at least 1 or 2, sometimes more, depending on the locations. Pick the best one, get a location agreement signed. We'll give you the template. Don't do handshake deals. Get it in writing. Week 4, your ATM arrives. You drive it to the location. You install it. You bolt it down. You plug it in. You load it with cash. You turn it on. You do a discovery call with us. We'll tell you how to program the ATM for the cash, instruct you how to change the safe code password, and put the paper in. Now you wait. First transaction usually happens within 48 to 72 hours. You check your phone and boom, now you're making money. You just made $3 depending on what your surcharge is. That's the feeling that changes everything, because now you know it works. Now you know it's real, and now you can do it again and again and again. Get the second ATM, the third, the fourth. Now you're building a business. Each one is another hour a week. Each one is another $200 to $500 every month. You do the math. 4 ATMs, 4 hours a week, $1,500 to $2,000. That's $15,000 to $24,000 extra every year for 4 hours a week. Most people work 40 hours a week to make that. You're doing it in 4. Every January, people make promises they don't keep. Lose weight, spend more time with their family, start a business. This can be the year that's different for you, not because you're going to work harder, but because you're going to work smarter. 1 ATM can replace 10 hours of your work week every single week. 2 ATMs can replace 20. At some point, you realize you don't need your job anymore. You got a machine that's working for you. I've been doing this for over 25 years. I've seen guys go from broke and burnt out to making more from ATMs than their full-time job. And they did it working few hours a week. If you want to see the full system you use to help people get their first ATM up and running in 30 days, I put together a complete checklist that's free of charge that walks through how to start an ATM business. It shows you exactly how to start a simple cash flow business that pays you over and over, even if you're new to entrepreneurship. Click the first link in the description to access the checklist right now. If you want to learn more about how regular people are building passive income with ATMs, check out our other videos on this channel. Stop trading time for money, start building your time back, and I'll see you on the next ATM Mastermind video.